Good evening, guys. Welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today, we are going to understand what is this Israel-Palestine crisis. Okay, how these Jews came as a refugee into Palestine regions and made these Palestine confined to small region. Let us understand everything today. Why these conflicts are continuing and so many people are dying each and every day. This is not about this year. This crisis has been running from the last 80 years. Okay, 1917 onwards. I mean, from that time, Jews from European countries started to move into Palestine and exert their occupation. Okay, try to exert their country, naming it as Israel. Okay, today we will learn what it is. Okay, next, fine. From this, you can understand that around 1970 there was no issue actual. Okay, this is Palestine. See, there are no presence of Jews as it was there after 3 decades, right? See, from this you can observe a lot of change. The black area you are observing is the places resided by Arabs. Arabs, I mean, that is Palestinians. Okay, Palestinians. Okay, and the golden color you're observing is occupied by Jewish. First, they came as a refugees into this country and started to buy settlements, and slowly, they have encroached all the area. What could be the reason why they're that much sophisticated and were able to occupy this much? You know what, friends? Jews are considered to be the most intellectual person on earth. Yes, of course, because there is no field Israel hasn't excelled in military, in water reclamation. I mean, they were able to uh, purify. 95% of the sewage, right? They were able to convert into useful water. From that, you can understand even where there is no agriculture in arid and desert regions, they were able to prove that we can agriculture even those kind of places. That is the intellectuality of these US. That is the reason mm, even US at some contexts obeys Jewish orders. Okay, that is the reason uh, there was a lot of issues happening between US and Palestine. Even mm, Donald Trump went some more step and told that he will make sure that this whole country is being occupied by this US. Okay, that is what happening. Even he brokerized these Abraham accords, right, between Arab countries who are not at all recognizing Jews because they were supporting Palestine. But after these Abraham accords, which was brokerized by Donald Trump, led to UAE and Bahrain to accept the recognition of Israel. That is the context. Next, let us start with the Israel where these Jews have started. Okay, Jews have been persecuted throughout the history due to their religious beliefs and foreign culture. I told you in the beginning that Jewish people came from. I mean, they started a exodus from European countries. Before that, from their original places, these Jews were taken as slaves by Greece, Romans into their territories as slaves. But after uh, so many persecutions happened on them, they were unable to bear, so they started to flow into the Palestine. Even this was the starting, but after these Nazis have committed Holocaust on these Jews, there was a tremendous increase in the immigration of these Jews to Palestine. Fine. See, Palestine took a major turn with a large number of thousands of them settled from the Europe to Palestine. That is the Arabs saw this as a threat to their homeland. Who are these Arabs? These are nothing but Palestine. Okay, and they fought bitterly with them. As British government remained as a mute spectator, violence had peaked. Let us see what is this Holocaust. See, this is how Nazis, Hitler regime has persecuted these Jews. What this had led to is exodus of Jews into Palestine. See, slowly they occupied as a refugees. They settled and slowly they occupied everything of Palestine. Only few parts are left today, where Palestinians uh, s- are living. That is a Gaza Strip, Golan Heights, and this Western Bank. There is a small part here that is Western Bank. Okay, here there is a bordering Dead Sea. That is the densest sea in the world. Okay, remember that saltiest, that means highest salinity is present there. Fine. See, Arabs saw the creation of Israel as a part of conspiracy to move out of their land. Consequently, in 1948, the Arab states of Egypt, means who were supporting Palestinians, Jordan, Iraq, and Syria declared war on Israel. I already told, but even you declare war on these Israels, their intellectuality was very high. But even these people are being supported by US. So, at the end of the war between the Israel and Arab countries, Israel emerges victorious. Moreover, it could increase its territory to a larger extent and make the beginning of expansionist policy of Israel. That is what happening, and even that is continuing now. So, uh, watching these kind of activities, the Palestinians will okay, no, right? They will not accept that, right? See, so out of Palestine, a Palestine Liberation Organization was formed in 1960s. Okay, this militant was trying to attack this Israel. But from then onwards, these conflicts have been happening. Okay, and one among that militant group was this Hamas. Recently, we have been seeing that picture, right? So many rockets are moving on from one place to another, and one is that Iron Dome of Israel, and from other onwards, Hamas are attacking with thousands of missiles. That is what happening. We have been seeing in this news, right? That is the issue. Even there is another militant group that is Fatah. Next, what does Palestine want? Palestine want Eastern Jerusalem as the capital of their independent. See, we have seen that knife shape, right? Jerusalem is right here. Even this place is claimed by Israel as well as Palestinians because there is a religious issue here. One say that Judaism has started from here, that is Judaism is associated with Jews, and one say Christianity, that is Islam. Islam is a holy place for Islam. This is one. Even some say it is a holy place for Christianity. That is what happening. See, they want Israel to withdraw. Do they? Means this is the time when Israel started to expand its territory. So it want to make withdrawal of these Israel forces from their settlements. Even in present Palestine spots, Israel citizens are trying to occupy the settlements. Okay, trying to buy and settle there. Israel should stop all the expansionist settlements before coming to the peace talks. That is, see, only these places are decided by Palestine from here as this present situation. That is the reason Hamas are attacking Israel with rockets. That is the issue. We have discussed that why this Jerusalem is famous for. I mean, special for these people. The city that straddles the border between the Israel and the Western Bank, where Palestinians live. It's home to some of the holiest sites in the Judaism, Islam. So that Palestinians and Israel want to make their cap the solution to Israel and Palestine. Okay, we have discussed the issues between them. Then how? how India is reacting to this Israel issue. You know what? India is in a neutral position because from Israel it accepts military support. You know, right? According to CIPRI, this is an institute which which tells about the purchases happening in this world on military basis, military purchases. Okay, military purchases. On this, it releases CIPRI from Sweden Institute. Okay, peace and from this thing I don't know, but Peace Institute. This is a Peace Institute which analyzes on how military purchases are happening between the countries. Okay, from this it considered that Israel was second largest exporter to India after Russia. Remember this thing. First is Russia, and second is Israel. Third is France, and fourth is USA. This can be a potential question for your exam, whatever exam it be. But this issue is happening, right? So even we have good relation with Israel, but even we always stood behind human rights, right? Wherever there was human right crisis, we stood there. So even we are supporting Palestine issue. So even India has recognized the state of Israel because few countries don't recognize this country. Example, Saudi Arabia don't recognize Israel as a country. Even China doesn't recognize Hong Kong and Taiwan as it countries, right? Because it considers these two lands as its own part. That is one nation, two governments, something. Fine. That is the issue happening. Okay, friends. That is the thing. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Uh, Within few days, we are going to start a complete history series. Okay, not just everything from ancient, medieval, and till modern history. That is very important modern history. 14 to 15 bits come in CAPF and CDF. Right, friends? Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to your fellow aspirants. Thank you.